Hey guys, it's your girl BB.
And your boy Just. Welcome back to the channel. It's been long and we really apologize. We don't live near each other. She lives in Westchester and I live in the city, so it's like
There's a lot.
yeah, we're both working right now, but we're back into the motion with things. We're getting in the groove of stuff. And we're doing a design challenge today.
Yes.
It's
yes.
lit. And we're gonna show you the behind the scenes of it. We're in Long Island City right now in the studio.
It's so nice in here.
Yeah, it's just hot as hell. It's like 90 degrees in the room, yo. It's like a sauna in here.
It does feel like a sauna on one of the hotter days of winter in New York.
This year, yo, you know, it's just important to just do the things that make you happy and just be in spaces that uplift you. We just was like releasing a whole bunch of negative baggage, heavy baggage from the past, and we're not carrying that with us moving into the spring.
Yes.
So it's gonna be a good year, yo.
You're gonna see a lot more of us.
Facts. So we're doing a design challenge inspired by T-Mobile.
Yes.
I have T-Mobile as my phone service right now. And I always love T-Mobile's colorway and their aesthetic when I walk into the store.
Yeah.
And the T-Mobiles that I've always been to, especially in Long Island, they always took care of me and they were always really nice to me. So I was like, you know what? Let me reimagine what the future T-Mobile uniform would look like.
Yes, something along that pink and black aesthetic, and then just kind of making it clean. And I think we have a good idea of what we want to do design-wise.
And we literally just want to showcase our talent and our creativity and also just express our inner child. A lot of the projects that we do is literally just allowing us to get closer to each other.
Yes.
And just literally brainstorming and just being free and getting into a flow. And I feel like everybody should be able to get into that zone. We all deserve that, and we should have some type of art form or some type of thing to, you know, relieve stress.
Yes, definitely challenge yourself to think outside of the box, because a lot of the time as designers we overlook, well, I wouldn't even say as designers, but as humans we overlook things that we're like, oh, like that doesn't really mean anything to anything, but you can draw inspiration from anywhere and anything and anyone. So just keep an open mind, and that's what this is all about, keeping an open mind and just trying to think outside the box.
You doing snaps as well?
Yes. It's too high here, right?
I had this white t-shirt and fourth
Can you
grade.
try it on?
You can do it in all.
Okay.
Cool.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so I just got to the studio, and please don't mind my face. My makeup is half done because I was doing it on the train. So yeah, I just got here and I'm so excited. I'm waiting for Justin to come and then we will be starting. So right now I'm just gonna finish my face real quick because Justin should be coming in any second and only half of my face is done.
How long did it take you to do your makeup?
Well, I did half of my face on the train, so my eyeshadow was already done. So this took like maybe 20 minutes. The foundation and the lips and eyelashes and stuff. But
Damn.
I had to do what I had to do.
So right now, BB's setting up the camera settings so the lighting could be on point. I don't know how she does it. I don't know how she does it though. I'm not really good with the ISO settings.
Try going over.
That's tough.
And anything that needs to be like contrasted down.
I like the straight on photos. That's tough.
I'm trying to see.
Yo, these pictures is coming out hard, yo.
Why does it keep doing doing this.
And now you know the deal. Don't take it personal. Got in my bag, picked up the pace, but you know it hurts to know. Can't change your pain, baby. Worst of all.
First girl I found some low key and heart gone like now it's run no email. Bounce some on me. Hardcore dog tones, you read me, baby. And Lord knows you gon' work like you don't need me, baby.
Knowing I gave that reason, knowing I had them secrets. Wait, knowing them nights I had you fiending, yeah. And we just had to save the trust. Run that merry-go and find our way to us. And I know,
yeah. Know your path crossing no lane. Lord knows how to crash crossing that game. And I know, yeah.
love me, trust me, we gon' yeah.